Oh my goodness, Jack. What are you doing? Huh, bud? Oh, Jenny, yes. You're such a good girl. You know that? Yeah. Where's your belly? Jenny, where's your belly? Easy. Hello, Scout. Track. Track. Come here, bud. What are you doing? Huh? You're much more social. Where's your belly, Jenny? Where's your belly? Let me see your belly. Can I have your belly? Can I have the belly? No? Hello. Hello. Oh, Jenny. What? Oh, yeah. Right here. Jenny, you're the perfect rest. Stay right there. Hi, Gracie. Hi, Gracie. You're not supposed to be jumping, though. Hi, Baxter. I can't see anything but fluff. You gotta back up. You gotta back up. I can't see anything. I can't see anything but fluff. You look like a Q-tip. Back up. Thank you. Thank you. Now we can see that you're a puppy. Yes. Hello. Hello. Oh, good. Oh, kisses. Oh, get down. Get down, sweetheart. Jeez. Yes. Hi, Jonesy. Hey. Hey. You guys gotta get right in my face, don't you? Can't see anything. Jeez, I'm Carl, sweetheart. Oh, Jenny. Yes, oh, thank you. Thank you, Josie. Yes, you're my good boy. Huh? Fella, did you die? All that running around and pooped. Oh, Jenny butt. Oh, Jenny butt. No, don't hit the camera. Oh, Scout. Oh, is that this? Oh, is that this hot? Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Huh? Hello. Patrick, are you jealous of the love I'm giving your brother? No, I said Tippy, not Pippi. Tippy. Oh, it's my girl. It's my girl. Yes, I know. Oh, sweet girl. Oh, what, Pip? Gracie. Gracie May. Thank you. That was not appropriate. No. That was not appropriate. What were you thinking? No better. One. Whoop, here comes Gracie. Yeah, we're all pooped now. We all ran around too much. We're all exhausted. Oh, goodness. Too funny. Too Who's that? It's a Sassy. Hello, Sassafras. How are ya? How are ya? Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, yeah. So, it feels good. I feel good. Look at the, oh my goodness. You can almost make another dog out of that.